Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a balloon centerpiece. So let me go get it for you guys so you can see. This is what we will be building today. So, I have a cheerleading banquet, and my customer wanted a total of 5 centerpieces. So today I will be teaching you how to build those. But before anything, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. Leave me your comments, and you can show some love by hitting on the thanks sign below and show your support. So for more videos like this, don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Let's get started with this project. So, it's been a hot minute since the last time I made a video tutorial. So bear with me. So I'm putting together these centerpieces for tomorrow, and I'm supposed to deliver them tomorrow. But I wanted to show you some of the materials that I'm using and how I build it and put it all together. Some of you may figure out how to do them, and that's great. Some of you are new to my channel, they're new to the balloon business, so why not just, get you started. Welcome, and let's get going. So for today, the basis of my centerpieces are gonna be lamps, okay? Sturdy, heavy lamps. So these you can find at any Home Goods, Walmart, any Target, any type of store. The brand that I'm getting, these are Mainstay lamps. And basically they come in a box and you build them yourself. So you're gonna get a bunch of things like this where you get to put however tall you wanna make it. You can do this. In this case, I'm only using 2 of these because this is how tall I need my base to be. And you guys, can you build your own? Absolutely, you can. These are about I believe $9 altogether. So these are already worked. The price is already worked within my final price for the centerpiece. But these are about $8. And to me, I don't care if the customer keeps it or not. If you get it back, good for you. You can use them as rentals as well. But I'm not gonna sweat it. I needed something sturdy. As you can see, it's like a weight here, because these are gonna go outdoor and they're gonna be on a table. So if I use any thinner, something lighter for my centerpieces, if there's a gust of wind or something, it could just fall the whole thing. So I know, and I showed you, I'm gonna pop it right here, the link to my other type of centerpieces that I make. Those are designed for only indoors. These are more for outdoors, okay, because they're heavier, which brings me to my next point. Because they require for me to buy these lamps, the price of this is gonna be higher than my indoor arrangements, okay? And I always sell my centerpieces a minimum of 5. So, if they want to order 6, 7, that's fine, but no less than 5. So, this is what we're doing today. We're using this lamp. The colors you saw, there are a teal color. So, I'm using Qualitex brand, and I'm using the tropical teal. So basically this is a cheerleading banquet, and she wants to match the uniform colors, and their colors are gray, teal, and black. They're like a competition cheerleading, which I love because I used to be a cheerleader, so I'm excited for this. And so their competition colors are this nice teal, and this is size 11 inch, okay? Tropical teal. Unfortunately, there's a shortage of balloons. So I couldn't find a 7 or 5 inch balloons for the little ones. So I calibrated these in 2 different sizes, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I also got a few little, these are 5 inches black, and I got 5 inch chrome silver, okay? As well as I'm using a 260 balloon, stretchy balloon, right here. These are chrome, and these are Vitalitex brand, okay? They're called Reflex Silver. So they're like a chrome kind of look for my little bubble spiral. And that's about it, you guys. So let's get started. Okay, you guys. So as I mentioned before, these are 11 inches, okay? But because I need the base to be smaller, I'm gonna calibrate these balloons to use my hand pump, and I'm gonna count how many pumps. In this case, I'm gonna use a total of 4 pumps, okay? So I'm gonna bring my balloon in all the way in, right? Just like this, and I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. This is gonna be my smaller balloon, okay? I'm gonna do the same with the next one, and I'm gonna build a quad, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure they're about the same. Actually, I think I'm missing a pump here. Hold on. Okay. Okay, and then I'm just gonna tie them up. And I got myself a duplet. I need 2 more. Okay. Hi guys, so now this is gonna be a voiceover because my kids were driving me nuts in the background. So as you can see, now that I have my 2 duplets, I created a quad, and I'm going to go ahead and place them on my stands. Now, the next thing you do is you're gonna cross the 2 and lock them into place. All right, and make sure you push down in there so they can stay firm and snug in there. So that's your quad. I'm going to proceed and now inflate my 5-inch balloons, and I'm going to give it a total of 2 pumps. You want these to be a little bit smaller than the blue ones. So you see me put in 2 pumps in each and also create a duplet that eventually will become a quad. So now that I created my smaller quad, I'm going to do the same exact thing and lock the 2 balloons into place, pushing down to make sure it's tight and firm in there. There you go. Now you have your base decorated. Now I'm going to move forward with my my smaller balloons on the top. But before that, you see me grabbing this black balloon. I'm going to use this small balloon and I'm going to insert this on the top. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to create some sort of friction for my balloons that go on the top, not to slide out of my centerpiece. So I'm going to put something rubbery to create that grip. And I proceed to inflate my silver balloons. Same thing, I'm using 2 pumps to mimic my black balloons. And I'm going to create a quad with them. So remember, 2 pumps. And then just pretty much lock them into place, placing them on my piece. Now it's time for my bigger quad using my 4 black balloons, and I'm going to do a total of 4 pumps. This one's going to be a little bit bigger, and I want to create almost like an hourglass type thing, right? So my base started with my bigger balloons into small, and on the top goes from small to big. That's why I'm doing the 4 pumps for my black balloons. So I pretty much gently put my last quad all the way to the top, almost towards the edge of my stand. I just gotta make sure they're in place. And I may even grab the neck of one of them and interlock them so that they don't slide out even more. And then I'm gonna use my topper, which is my 11-inch balloon. Remember, I've been using the 11-inch. I just calibrated them into 2 different sizes. The smaller ones were 4 pumps, and this big topper is gonna be 10 inches, okay? For this one, I am using my calibrator, and that's what 10 inches looks like. Now, again, you can pump as much as you want, but to me, it's so many pumps, maybe what, 21 pumps for this big balloon. So I'm not gonna do that. I use my electric pump and calibrate it to 10 inches. Now I'm going to grab a stretchy balloon. You can cut the stretchy balloon into half to save on product. And I'm gonna tie this on the end of my big balloon to create this flaps, right? Because I wanna make sure that my topper, I can put it in the center and secure it with these tabs right here. So I'm gonna put it on the top just like this, hold down my stretchy balloon and interlock that in my piece. Move on to the next one and do the same thing with the stretchy balloons. There you go. And that's my topper, guys. How cute. But that's just not it. Now we need to do our little bubble balloon, little bubbles or pearls or beads, whatever you want to call it, by using my stretchy balloon. And you guys pretty much know how to do this part. I don't need to show you, but I use 3 pumps in there and just start building my little beads. Okay, now for this I have to stop and go to measure that I have enough beads to make it from the top to the bottom of my piece. You just pinch, twist, secure it, and continue to pinch and twist, and you're gonna do that. Now that I have my beads, I have some stretchy left over here, and I'm gonna use this to tie it on the top, and I'm going to swirl it in there, making sure to secure it, and that way I don't have to use glue or anything like that, and it'll be secure in there. I'm going to hide it in there, bringing it down, going around the stand, and now I have the end piece to place right in there. So for that, I'm just going to use my glue dashes or glue dots, whatever glue dots you have, and I'm just going to pretty much glue the end piece to the base. Hi guys, and that's it. That's what the centerpiece looks like, you guys. How beautiful is this? And wait till I show you a picture of the actual girls on their uniform so you can see and how the colors match perfectly. But you guys, I have 3 more to go to do these, and I will take a quick video so you can see them all together, and hopefully I can, you know, take a picture at the place once it's ready to go. I can hide this one a little bit, just like that. Perfect. So here you guys, and this is pretty solid, pretty heavy, so it's not gonna go anywhere. And how cute is this? And it doesn't take long. And you guys, when the clients see this, they're in awe all the time. They can't believe that this is balloon, that it just looks so perfect. So I hope you guys enjoy more videos like this. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. Leave me your comments. If you have any questions, let me know. And I can't wait to see you on the next bouquet. Bye-bye. Take care, guys.